Huawei has just surprised everyone by showcasing a futuristic robot. During their developer conference, the Chinese company presented their new artificial intelligence model called Pangu. This model has already been developed over several generations, but among many other things, it will now also be able to recognize objects and perform many more functions. In fact, the presentation focused heavily on Harmony Next, which is the upcoming version of Harmony OS without any trace of Android. This is particularly noteworthy because it would be an operating system built from scratch by Huawei. However, it will likely remain exclusive to China. So, for China, they also announced many AI features for this new version of Harmony, but what caught my attention the most during this conference was the presence of a robot. It was almost at the very end when Huawei wanted to give a demonstration of exactly how their advanced Pangu artificial intelligence model works when running from a robot. This advanced robot, which is not specifically from Huawei but rather from a company called HUAWEI Robot, who have already showcased this innovative robot in previous versions, having various impressive capabilities to recognize household items, help you organize things, even put dirty clothes in the washing machine, or similar tasks that are daily chores but could result in significantly notable time savings if a robot starts doing them. However, the previous version only had a pincer hand, so it had far fewer abilities, whereas the current version has a hand with fingers that allows it to hold more things. Specifically, to recognize items, it will use Huawei's highly advanced model called Pangu. During the Huawei conference, it even gave a high five to a member of this division of Huawei and also engaged in a brief yet meaningful conversation, asking what things it saw in front of it. Using its camera, it was able to identify the objects in front of it thanks to Huawei's entire artificial intelligence vision model. Huawei said at this conference that, as everyone is expecting, AI robots can help us with laundry, cooking, sweeping, giving us more time to read, write poetry, or paint. Let me know if you think that in the future we will have this type of humanoid robots with a lot of artificial intelligence in our homes, capable of recognizing all the objects in the house, holding them, and helping us put dirty dishes in their place, dirty clothes in their place. Do you think that will be possible someday?